Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com. We just picked up a new property, uploaded it to the site. A great deal on 2.5 acres in Kern County, California. We have the APN, the legal description, the GPS coordinates. You could just punch that into the Google Earth app on your phone. That's what I typically use to go ahead and scroll about the area. Here's a shot, what you could expect to see. Definitely an off-the-grid property, but you could pick this up. $25 down, $25 a month for 78 months. If you're interested in moving forward, you would just click the Buy It Now button down here. It would take you to the checkout page, and within 24 hours of receiving the down payment, we would send a contract over to you to be signed and sent back. But let's make sure you're getting some value out of this. We're doing $25 down, $25 a month for 78 months, which is roughly $1,900 for 2.5 acres on a finance term in Kern County. So let's go to LandWatch and just see what other people had these listed for. We have 5 acres for $5,000, 5 acres for $5,000. All right, here we go. 2.5 acres. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. That's way up there. That's got to be some premium lot. 2.5 acres for $12,000. A little fraction of a lot for $5,000. So we're definitely priced aggressively, especially offering the seller finance terms. But this is just LandWatch. So let's go ahead and hit a couple other big sites just to make sure the numbers are great. We got we're over at Land and Farm now. 2 acres for $3,500. 10 acres for $5,000. That's a decent deal right there. We got 2.5 for $3,300. This is a seller finance deal there, so those terms are definitely going to be higher than where we have ours listed at. 2.5 for $3,200. So we're definitely structured as a wholesale deal on this. Oh, here we go. 2.5 acres priced the same, but with cash price, where we'll finance you for that. Here's 2 of them. They hit that. So if you want the financing, only $1,900. Let's check one more site. That is a tiny lot there for $1,100. Well, let's jump over to where we at next. Lands of America here. $3,300 for 2.5 acres. So I've made the case here. There's plenty of value in this. We got one on a cash price, the same price that we'll actually finance you for. Those are actually, that's the same seller. Actually, I know Patrick too. He's a good dude. But yeah, those are the same lots from the other sites as well. So what can you actually do in Kern County? Looks like a lot of outdoor activities. Red Rock Canyon State Park, Lake Isabella, museums, hot springs, the Walker Pass. So plenty to do there as well. But properties like these, they're great because they're passive. You can go ahead and make the payments on them. You can go ahead and explore them in your downtime when you want to go off the grid for a little bit. Or you could even sublease them to other people, preppers, people like that, people that just like to go off the grid. So there's a lot of options for you to monetize this as well. So like I said, there's a link below this video if you're interested in moving forward with this property. Feel free to comment below with any questions. I will create a video answering that for you.